Got swag like Cardi, red bottoms in the Audi. The classy shit in when she sippin' on Bacardi. Body like Trina, but a face like Tisha. I love them hood bitches like Keisha and Tanisha. Drop it, bitch, let it go. Lace panties hit the floor. Chase down, you ain't know.
It's a vlog, RKDRT. We pushing this shit, man. Y'all niggas better fucking subscribe.
How we get down there?
All right, y'all. Good morning, folks. As you guys can see, I'm out here and I'm working on my car. No help. I'm just believing in myself and I'm making it happen. You already know we sipping. I might not put that in the video, but anyways, let me show y'all what I'm doing real quick. Alright. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm pretty much changing this hood latch. I just swapped that one out for this one because as you can see, it broke. So you put a new one on there. I don't know if you can see it from this angle. Let me show you what it looks like now. So that's the new one. This is the old one. You see where it's broken? See how that is in there? So I'm about to connect this part right here. Watch, let me show you guys pretty much what I'm about to do. I'm about to connect this ball joint in that hole. And then I'm about to do this side right here. Actually, I don't even think I need to do that side. But I'm gonna do it anyways, just for the experience. I just changed the hood. The grill. That's the new grill right there. Oh, there's the old one, of course broken. And then with these right here, I'm gonna put them back on, but I'm thinking that I'm going to paint them black. So I think it'll give the car a much better look if I spray paint these black. If you guys see, they're all chrome. So I'm gonna spray paint. I'm gonna try to sand them down, and I'm gonna paint them black. Got all these parts right here. Excuse me. But yeah, I'm gonna hook those up real quick. Tap in with y'all when I'm done. So I'm not gonna record all this because I'm about to pretty much listen to music while I do this. So yeah.
2 hours later.
We're getting out here playing no games, bro. I done took this whole shit down. Watch me put it back together. All right, y'all, so just a quick little status update of where we at right now. You see I got the whole bumper off right now. I got simple tools, nothing major. This right here is a headlight. So what I'm doing is, let me show y'all real quick. I don't know if y'all can see it, but here's the headlights, right? So you got the low beam, you got the high beam, and then you have these lights around the ring. Now what I'm doing right now is, let me show y'all real quick. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm turning these from brown to LEDs. This shit gonna look hard during the nighttime, I'm telling you. And then I'm also about to clean these headlights up too, so yeah, man, stay tuned. This was a really easy process. I could have done this shit myself. Well, I am doing it myself, but yeah, so I'm gonna finish this part up right here. Dirty hands, real kings do real things, man. We get dirty out here. I'm about to finish doing this, swap this little light out, put everything back together. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. It's my day off. I'm chilling, like I said. I'm just handling this business right now, man. I'm not waiting on nobody else in life. I'm moving forward, and that's what it is. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, everything is put back together. I'm gonna show y'all what the headlights look like during the nighttime, but everything's pretty much put back together. Just gotta put the cover back on. I'm gonna go to the car store and see if I got any black spray. If they got any black spray paint, I'm gonna sand this down and then spray paint it black. And I think it's gonna look pretty hard. All right, man. I am all done working on this car, bruh. The grill. Like I said, I don't have the lining on there yet, but man, that shit's gonna look so clean. Everything is officially already fixed on the car. I just have to hook up the the lever for the fuck. Where did I put that? The lever for the hood. Clean it up a little bit. Hey, everything's done. Look at them headlights. Trust me, they look way better at nighttime. All right, y'all. As y'all know, the vlog continues. My baby is looking better than ever, for real. So what we did, we pretty much changed the lights around the headlights. The little ring right there. This ring, we changed that. We changed those. We changed the grill. And we changed the lights on both sides. And then we installed those down there. And we pretty much replaced the latch. There was a latch on the inside that we replaced. I know y'all don't care, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like now that it's nighttime. I mean, shit, I like the way it looks. Keep it 100. I love the way it looks. That shit look fucking dope as fuck, bro. I got the little shit to clean up the headlights too, so I'm about to clean the headlights up. And yeah, like I said, I got the outside grill piece right here, the silver part, but I want to paint it black. So I'm just trying to figure that out right now. But man, she's a fucking beauty. I'm telling you, I really appreciate this car because I had it for a long time. It's going on like 5-6 years now. Been taking care of me, I've been taking care of it. So these big-headed kids right here. All right, y'all, so it's a few days later. I'm about to wrap this video up. I just wanted y'all to see what it looked like now with the grill and everything done on it. You know what I'm saying? I think it looks pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Leave it in the comment section what y'all think. Hey, Malik, get out, don't play in the street. Okay, you guys can go play in the background, okay? You guys can go play in the backyard. Sorry.
Subscribe, dude.
Subscribe, Raiders.